Is this clear?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, okay. And regarding, there was one loading issue. There was few people who were not able to see the recordings of their study materials. So that they are checking at the back end what is the technical issue. Right now, I didn't receive any conclusion on that. If I receive, I'll let you know. Okay, okay. This
Great.
is done. Let's start now with today's topic. So today I'll cover yesterday we have covered these many things. Now on these topics we have two things that are remaining. One is workbook versions and another is calculation options. Okay, we are starting with calculation options. Versions one I'll take it later, but for now obviously we are going to cover it. We will not miss it. But today we are going to start with calculation options. So I'll just open a sheet for that. Okay. Now, just want to know, do you guys know, let's say in my Excel, I am having some data and I have applied a lot of functions on that Excel. For example, right now you can see I have a data and I have applied few functions or you can say calculations on this sheet. So this is calculating the count of orders that I have. This is calculating the order days. So between order date minus ship date, what is the order days. What is another thing? I have number of sum of sales that happened. Then I have average of the units that have been sold. I have gross profit. I have cost sum. Now let's say I am changing some value. Let's say these unit data got changed. So what will happen? All these uh, to all these formulas, will they have the previous value or they'll have a new value? What do you think?
New value.
New value. That is correct. So if I make unit, let's say from 3 to 300, you will see that the value got changed. This formula got changed. So formula calculations is related to this only, that default setting is like this. Whenever you either do any update in the Excel or you reopen your Excel, all the formulas will get recalculated. Okay, this is the default setting. But what if I have the large data? I don't want to recalculate all the formulas automatically. I want it to be a manual process. So how to do that? What do you need to do? There is a formulas tab. You just need to go to formulas tab and then there are calculation options available. So this is a feature in Excel. We have a calculation options. You can just click on this and there will be three options enabled for you. The one is automatic except for data tables and manual. So right now it is automatic selected because automatic means whenever you do any update or reopen the Excel sheet, it will recalculate all the formulas that are available in your sheet. Automatic except for data tables. So let's say we'll talk about what is data tables. For now, just keep in your mind that only for data tables, it will be manual process if you select this option. Otherwise, it is going to be automatic. Now, talking about the manual process. Now, if I select manual, what will happen in this case? If you change any value, let's say I am again changing it to 300. If you change any value, you see the formula is not getting recalculated. Why? Because you have just selected manual. Now you have to manually update your formulas. So how to manually update the formulas? By using external keys. So the shortcut is you can use F9. F9 is to execute the formulas again. You can just select F9 and it will execute your formula again so that it gets updated. If you don't want to update it, that is also